ऑन 23rd एक इन्सिडंट रिपोर्ट जालो की एक तो कार ओनर आसा ताणी गाडी पार्क केल्ली नियर ब्रँड शोरूम वास्को सिटी आनी तो आपल्या कितें कामाक गेल्लो आनीक जेन्ना तो परत जेन्ना आयलो आनी गाडयेन बसलो ताणें आपली गाडी स्टार्ट मारून तो गेलो. जेन्ना तो फुडें गेलो तेन्ना ताका कितें तरी फील जावपाक लागलें गाडयेच्या पोंदाक आनी पीपल ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड टू शाउट. सो तो रावलो. सो जाल्यार कितें जालें एक बेगर टायप मनीस बाय नेम इज Ashok Chalwadi, is about 45 years. He was sleeping underneath the car. So driver was not having any knowledge. So he started the car and went. So that person dragged for about 10 meters away along with the car. आणि मागीर ताका कळून चुकलें की कोण तरी पोंदा आशिल्लो म्हण. सो मागीर ते आयले एम्बुलन्स आपयली आनी ताका मागीर चिखले हॉस्पिटलान हाडलो, कॉटेज हॉस्पिटल. आनीक मागीर ताका फुडें GMCक एडमीट केलो धाडलो. सो काल आमकां परत सकाळीं वायरलेस आयली की that person is expired. So we took on that day we had registered the MV accident on this incident, and suddenly when we got the wireless message, further we registered the crime under section 279 304A. Preliminary registered the crime 279 304A. 279 is rash and negligent driving, and 304A is death endangering to human life. So आता पळोवपाक गेल्यार आमी इन्क्वायरी करतात की whether 279 section is applicable in this crime or not, because the driver was not having any knowledge when he was starting the car that he is sleeping underneath the car. So आता आमी पळयतले की बाबा if we came to the conclusion that 279 is applicable, we will decide whether to delete the section or otherwise.
What's your message to the people after this case?
So my message is only thing is when they are parking the car and when they are coming again and starting the car, they have to check on all the sides. They have to check below the car also whether anybody is there. Tomorrow animal can also be there. Any human being also, this type of beggars can also sleep. So this will create problem to them afterwards, unnecessary create problem to them. So everyone should take the care while starting the car.